This is the M12 Milwaukee Grease Gun. M12 referring to the battery size. It's pretty easy to use. You just twist this piece off, put your grease tube in like so. Make sure both sides are open. Goes right in. Screw it tight. Release this. And then you start greasing your machine. On this SVL97-3, it has 16 grease points. And about every 10 hours, you're supposed to hit these points. Just plug it into the pin, pull the trigger, and you'll start seeing the old grease come out of the bearings. And that's how you know you're about done. And for me, I try to grease this machine every 10 hours. Obviously depends on the use, because if I'm just using grapples or my auger, I'm not really concerned about greasing it so frequently. Always on the 10-hour mark, but what I'm trying to get at is if I'm using the bucket and I'm moving a ton of dirt for the day and maybe I only used it for 3 or 4 or 5 hours, I will then power wash the whole entire machine down and then re-grease the machine, because I know that when I'm working with dirt gets everywhere, and I know it's getting in all those bearings, all those joints, and all those pins. So for me, it's just the peace of mind of knowing that I'm flushing out all that debris out of those joints with a fresh bottle. And the night and day difference is obviously noticeable. The machine operates super smooth, and I think it's one of those important things to keep in mind, especially if you're working with dirt. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.